Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this live stream is for my 8th graders. It's going to focus on solving for x and y using substitution. Our example problem is 2y plus x equals 25 and x equals 3y. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So we do not know the values of y or the values of x. We don't know the numerical values of either variable, but we do know that x equals 3y. So our first step is we're going to use substitution. So we're going to try this first problem here, 2y plus x equals 25. And we are going to substitute x for 3y since x equals 3y. So we have 2y plus 3y equals 25. All right. That's step one. Now step two, we are going to combine like terms. We are going to add 2y plus 3y. 2y plus 3y, just like adding 2 plus 3. 2y plus 3y equals 5y. So we have 5y equals 25. Now we have to figure out what y equals. So we figure out what y equals by dividing by 5. 5y divided by 5, 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 equals 5, so y equals 5. So we now have the value of y, the numerical value of y. Y equals 5. Next, we want to figure out the value of x. So if x equals 3y and y equals 5, to figure out the value of x, we can simply do x equals 3 times 5. We're going to substitute that 5 in there for the value of y, since y equals 5. 3 times 5 equals 15, so x equals 15. So we found our values. Y equals 5, x equals 15. I'll actually rewrite it so it's right next to each other here. Now, how do we know we're correct? How do we check it? We'll check it by putting in the values for both problems. So for x equals 3y, all right, now we're going to check our values here. So for x equals 3y, if y equals 5 and x equals 15, we'll substitute 15 for x. We'll substitute the 5 for y. 3 times 5 equals 15. 15 equals 15, that's true. So the first problem works. Second problem now. So again, note I want to have everything showing up in the screen here. So y equals 5, x equals 15. Now for 2y plus x equals 25, I'm going to substitute the values. 2 times 5 plus 15 equals 25. All right, so 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 plus 15 equals 25. 10 plus 15 does equal 25. That is true. So we've checked our work. We know that both problems work. So for this equation, 2y plus x equals 25, x equals 3y, the value of y equals 5, and the value of x equals 15. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I'll do a few on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.